Hi, hello everybody. I'm Sebastian. I work at Process One as a Ruby on Rails developer, and I work on Boxcar platform. Boxcar is has two components. It's iOS application which allow user to receive a push notification on their device when they receive RSS or tweet or anything else. And we are the other part is a B2B SaaS platform to allow our client to send push notification to a single device or to broadcast to million devices. Today I will talk about a prototype we worked on with my colleague Paul for several weeks now to integrate Beacon on the Boxcar platform. So what is iBeacon? It's a trademark from Apple which will use on some device which will use Bluetooth, low-cost Bluetooth transmitter which will broadcast information and this information will be received by smartphone, tablet, and so on, and used by the device to know its position. But it's not GPS stuff like latitude and longitude. It's just information about this distance between the smartphone and the beacon. And as the beacon will broadcast only few information like unique ID or few metadata, we will need, in many cases, we will need an app to handle the localization. So for example, when an app can, using the UID, do a call to a server to retrieve another metadata, like for example, GPS localization associated to a device which can be put on a wall. So in this case, we need an app, but if in other case, like the one promoted by Google on the physical web, the UID will be actually an URI, so with a protocol named URI beacon, and this URI will be an HTTP URL allowing any application and actually in the long term any operating system to allowing to scan Bluetooth beacon near and display all the URL collected in the near place. So in this room we have 5 iBeacon. So the first version of the app we developed just on the iPhone just list all the devices in the places, and you can select the link you want to open. In the second version, we want to do something more pushy. So instead, what we do is what we developed is an application. You go very close to iBeacon, and then the aim of the application is to send you a push notification. And when you click on it, it opens directly the website, the video, and so on. To do so on the client and the app, we add some trigger to detect the beacon, and when a new beacon appears, we move into some Hive delegate, and we start to range the beacon, find the nearest, and with the ID of the beacon, send this information to a server with a device token allowing push notification through Apple. And this server will use Boxcar to send a notification. and the device receive then the notification and open the associated the link. So when we develop this prototype, we encounter some issue because in the first version, at some place we want to see all the beacon, but in the second version, actually, we only want to see one beacon when we are very near from it. So we have to reduce the signal length to only trigger the app delegate provided by the SDK from STMOT we were using to launch our push. So I will try now to do a demonstration with my iPhone. So if I come close to this beacon, so since the network is very slow, I have to wait a bit. But I receive a notification which say, "Watch me." And if I click on it, it opens YouTube directly and launch my video.